Let's start with the on-off switch. On-off switch is located underneath the horizontal arm. It's a green toggle. You want to turn the device on in the morning. You'll notice the overhead will rotate and go through some startup checks and balances. Next, we have our emergency stop switch. The emergency stop switch is a red button located also underneath the horizontal arm. If you have an issue, you press the red button and that will cut power to the overhead. To restore power, we're going to rotate that device and it will pop back on. Next, let's look at our touchpad. The touchpad includes the beam up and down, column up and down, Temple Sports open and close, and our ready return button, which is used after the patient is positioned. Next, let's talk about our appliances. The G2 comes with 3 bite appliances. Here we have our bite stick. On the side here we have our trap door. We'll remove these other 2 appliances, specifically our edentulous cup. The taller appliance is going to be our TMJ/sinus appliance for 2D capture. The bite stick and edentulous cup are interchangeable with the tall chin rest. The 2D TMJ prop utilizes the shorter chin rest here. This will be placed into the chin rest like so. The extra appliances are kept on the side compartment. Another feature of the G2 is your canine adjustment, which is over here on the side. It's a slide bar specifically for your panoramic capture. Another appliance I would like to look at is the model scan platform. The model scan platform comes in this case. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. We'll set this up here. To install the model scan platform, we're going to remove the chin rest and install this into the device. Put this back on. Lastly, let's talk about cleaning and care. Cleaning and care of the device, you want to wipe the device down with a hydrogen peroxide based wipe. Wipe the device down, let that sit per the manufacturer's recommended time. We want to grab a dry cloth and wipe off any excess. Lastly, let's talk about serial number location. The serial number of the G2 is located on the lower right column and starts with 068. You want to be aware of this if you need to call your local dental dealer, Vatech Tech Support, or if you're working with a Vatech education team, this will be a piece of information that we will request.